Welcome to Real Life Investing today. This is Al getting in contact with you guys. Oh, yeah, you know it. We got to talk about Say again. But the good part about Say is that it can speak for itself to a large degree. But whatever we say on the channel is not financial advice. However, if you like what you see today, we just ask you to like and subscribe to us. We are growing and we're just asking you to grow with us. Thank you very much for all your attention. And we definitely want to make sure that we earn it. Now, let's go ahead and start looking at, say, with the 1 day, which is going to be up 5%. Let's take a look at the 7 day. Say is up 6.5% on 7 days. Now, for the 1 month, we're looking at, say, being down about 1%. Okay. So for the year, say is up 27%. So that's definitely different from what it was before. It was down for the year, but notice that what is happening right now, say, is pretty much in a holding pattern. It's not really trying to get too high, trying to get too low. But sooner or later, we see the how can I say, the markets really start to get that extra liquidity, there's no telling where say is going to go, which is why we're trying to make sure that we discuss it now while we can before it gets out of hand. Do not forget, say is the all-time price. Let's see what that all-time high. All-time high for say is already over $1. It's at like $1.14. So don't feel like say is just going to sit still. All right. And anything that's going on with say right now is just a matter of time before it breaks out even further. So say is looking great and it's going to be looking even greater. So let's just go ahead and start setting the scene also with a little bit of information concerning Ethereum. Notice that Ethereum is going to be at what, 4,400. Bitcoin right now is currently at 117,000. Fear and greed is neutral. Market cap is at exactly 4 trillion. So we're getting there and things are moving a little bit further to the side that we wanted to see. According to the alt season tracker, we're at 47 out of 100. So we still have a ways to go. Just a heads up on all that information. So let's go ahead and start looking at some Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance in this case is going to be at 58.6%. Ethereum is going to be at 13.6, along with 27.8% others. Going to the Say website, not going to say a whole lot about it, but accelerating the future of the fastest parallel blockchain. And this right now is not even being refuted. So definitely they're going to stand on it. As far as the Ethereum virtual machine, these guys are really doing very well. So definitely a parallel chain that is doing extremely well in that regard. What is this? 400 milliseconds time to finality. The speed at which Say is moving is getting phenomenal. Well, it's already phenomenal. So anyways, let's go ahead and keep it moving a little bit. Talking about 3 billion plus transaction supported by the elite global institution stands at the forefront of blockchain innovation. You got your Circle, you got your Delphi digital, multi-coin capital, your Coinbase, your Jump, your Pith. I mean, just saying, this thing is really set to explode. It's already exploding and it's already moving extremely fast, built on the fastest blockchain in the industry. So that is definitely true in a lot of ways. So just a heads up on that, we want to keep the ball rolling with Say. Go into the X site. Let's see what's up with that. So just giving us some more positive information. What does it say? Markets move faster on Say. According to our X site here, it says the fastest L1 blockchain high performance rails for digital assets markets. So RT endorsement. So just a little bit of a heads up on this lovely information. This is pinned very quickly here for the Say network. 2 years ago, Say mainnet launched with a simple vision: high performance rails for digital asset markets. What's this? 3.4 billion transactions, 162 million blocks, 115 million unique wallets, and one remarkable ecosystem. Later, the vision is well underway. Markets move faster on Say now. So we definitely want to keep this in mind. It says 2 years in the Say ecosystem continues to accelerate. The number one EVM chain by active wallets. one of the fastest USDC adoption curves, thriving DeFi and gaming verticals. Say is becoming the preferred base layer for finance. So I do believe this is because the speed and the finality of the transactions that Say is moving in that right direction. So let's see what else we got here. A little bit of information. Whew, my goodness. Say led all EVM chains and daily active wallets across the past 30 days, ahead of Base and ahead of BNB. So this is really impressive. So just to get you to see the heads up on this, very impressive. Native USDC in circulation on Say reached 160 million in just 2 weeks after launch, representing one of the fastest adoption curves in the industry. So, and it just keeps going on and on about all the great things that are going on for Say. So, but we're not going to go any further in this particular site. We're going to keep it moving though. See if I can get back to where I was. Get on my Say. Say. SEI. Yeah. So let me see if I got anything else I want to talk about in here. And let's see. We got that one. We got this one. So we got a lot of roundups. Yeah, definitely Say is being used as a stable coin throughout the world now, pretty much. So things are looking extremely nice. So trying to see if there's anything else we want to say here. Stable coins versus major credit cards, blah, blah, blah. Okay, Coinbase has added Save protocol for the X402 protocol. Providers of any service can now request fees and stablecoins settle on today. One thing to say is going to be also is a tremendous stablecoin, along with the gaming, along with the finance, and I mean this is really getting ridiculous. How in a good way how well Say is being utilized. So the utilization for Say is just getting up. So right here, this is going to be some news, and this is mentioned to us according to the pre-sales news. SEI Say crypto outpaces Base. Say price could crack. What's this? 40 cents this week. So I guess we'll just keep our eyes on that. Okay, now they're talking about here's how Say project is leaving Coinbase's Say base in the dust. My bad. So flexing faster speed, bigger adoption gains, and surging stablecoin flows is facing its biggest challenge yet. It's going to smash through the pretty much the 40 cents resistance wall. It says backed by record breaking transactions, native USDC growth, and DEX volume highs. Say's momentum is undeniable. Traders are watching closely as the chart flashes bullish patterns and network fundamentals signal a possible explosive move ahead. So this is looking really good for Say. Let's go ahead and get some more Say news out there, talking about Say success in gaming is incidental. Web3's infrastructure race with Say Labs co-founder Jeff Feng saying, hey, we just happened to fall into this, right? So let's go ahead and look. Key takeaways: Say has over 630 million in total value locked, over 41 million wallets created, and 1 million daily active users. His prowess in Web3 gaming was incidental and not a design pivot. I can understand that. Say's upcoming Giga upgrade could see 50x throughout improvements, among other major performance boosts. One of the things about dealing with video games, especially the ones that are going on right now, is that you need that finality and you need the absolute speed to be able to make certain games run. The faster your blockchain for a particular game, the better off your blockchain and the gaming is going to be. Also, when you're dealing with online gaming as well, the last thing you want is that lag. A lot of you gamers know what I'm talking about when you're talking about that lag. But with Say, you're not getting as much lag as you would in a lot of other games. And so therefore, it allows you to use a really good reaction time. So in a lot of areas. So just something to think about. Not that everybody's a gamer, but I just wanted to mention that real quick. Say has quickly become one of the most recognized change in Web3 gaming, but it's successful incidental in this field. Say's real aim is simply put to be the fastest, most scalable blockchain for real world applications. So to understand Say's real mission, says CCN spoke with Sarah Labs co-founder, Say Labs co-founder, uh, Jeff Fong. So he break down the information for us, talked about how the Web3 gaming was the incidental pivot. So powerful network. And so that is a part of the reason why C became such a great, how can I say, gaming platform as well. Staggering 636 million in total value locked, over 41 million wallets, recent milestone of 1 million daily active users, not just daily users, but daily active users. It's very important, actually doing something, not just, looking at your material. So let's go ahead and look at this information. There's another little, notice there's a lot of information for Say, just say it. There's a lot of information. So Ethereum versus Bitcoin, can Say outperform leading crypto's next bull run? So in this case, let's see, we got analysts making bold calls, traders watching technical charts. Let's go a little bit further. See if there's anything else we want to talk about right here. I want to get to the Say part. That's the most important. Okay, Ethereum, on the other hand, is facing a supply crunch. ETH is leaving exchanges at an accelerating rate, which could lead to an aggressive price breakout if demand kicks in. An Ethereum versus Bitcoin discussion, the kind of scarcity can't be ignored. Part of what keeps ETH high on the list for best cryptocurrency to invest in. Say Crypto is making its own headlines. Trader Ali predicts Say could see a 160% rally towards 90 cents. So just a heads up on this, guys. Say is really rocketing rolling. Last, before we wrap this up, let's just go ahead and take a look at the crypto bubble here. This little tiny thing is Say right here. Say is down for the month, like 1.9%. So let's go for the week. Say is up a little bit. As you can see, 5.7%. For the day, Say is up pretty much 5.1%. So giving you guys an idea of where Say is right now. So Say is going to probably break out and explode. So you saw that where Say was over $1. So I would not be surprised to see Say at a few dollars after a while. But the main thing is we got to catch it now, bottle it, and make sure that we're ready to use it when we need to. But right now, catch Say while you can. Say it's not going to sit still forever. Say it's not going to be at these 30-cent prices all the bull market. So this is our real life investing. Take advantage of this opportunity with Say, another great crypto that is super fast and hopefully, God willing, super profitable. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye. Please share, like, comment, and subscribe to Real Life Investing. And thank you for watching.